Don, tell us a little bit about how Planning Plus ended up in your body shop, because when I originally called on you and just to catch up as a mate, and you were running 2 panel beaters, 2 painters, and felt that you were quite comfortable just ticking along like that. So what happened?
Yeah, so we're only a small shop, Gav. We had 2 painters, 2 beaters, and my son was helping me out in the office, and I went on holidays, and I came back, and there was Planning Plus. So I thought, my God, what have you done? Anyway, it's a great thing, and we've never really looked back. I used to walk around the shop. Everything I organised was in my head. Not everyone else was on the same page, and not everyone else knew what was going on. So, it's helped immensely to get things out of my head into everyone else's head, and they know what's going on day to day.
So there's an experience for you. The business owner goes on holidays, his son takes over for a week, rings me up and says, "You better get down here quick and put this in while Dad's out." So that's exactly what we did. We took the risk, and as Don has just shared with you, he hasn't looked back since.